So to access the roof deck, we take this wing nut off, pick up this platform, spin and rotate. Then it's pretty simple. So usually you would lift it much faster, but I was going delayed because I hadn't lifted in a while, and one time I did lift it and a wash came out and got me, and I am allergic to it. But you can see we got plenty of room for 2 foldable kayaks. The kickstand, really could probably get 3 kayaks up here. Our fans up there. Solar wires come through. We have video camera wires running through there as well, Togo wires. Front. Back. So the AC's under this section. You can store a 4-way tire here, 10x10 tent, and just a tire repair kit. And over here we have just more tool storage, extra cameras we're going to hook up, we just haven't got around to, extra compost, just a bunch of random stuff, honestly. It is 111 up here. What about the metal? 121. Thanks for joining us on getting to see what is up top on top of our van. I know it's a curiosity to many people, so this is kind of a first inside scoop that we posted about it. We'll go more details later. You see how this one has a nice washer here. I used to do that here, but it fell off at one point in time. But yeah, that's our storage up top. Check out another video to see how the TVs work.